Hi, it's Carrie. Today I'm going to show you how to grab APA 7th style citations quickly and easily when you're doing your research. We're going to start on the Cook Library's homepage, which is libraries.towson.edu. Let's start from the Cook OneSearch, which is our platform for searching many of our subscription resources. You can enter anything you'd like in the search box. I'll enter sleep hygiene, and I'll click on the magnifying glass to be directed to the search results. You may need to sign in with your TUNet ID. Here you can select the record you'd like to cite. I'm going to select record number 4. And I'll direct your attention to the right-hand side, where we have many options, including an option to cite. I'll click on Cite, and we have all the choices for citing this record in different citation styles. We want APA 7th, so I'm going to copy that. Control-C, and open up a Word document. Control-V. This looks pretty good. Everything is capitalized correctly, but we need a hanging indent. Let me put a space there. I'm going to select the entire block of text, and I have this ruler bar showing right here. If you don't see that, you can go to View and select Ruler. And what you want to do is pull the bottom over about a tab's worth of space. You may also want to put this in Times New Roman font. And there we have an APA 7th style citation that we got from Cook OneSearch quickly and easily. Feel free to reach out to your librarian for more help or assistance, and thanks for watching.